Martin from Spacecraft Design Build and Young Builder of the Year, surprisingly, because I'm not that young. It's a total shock, to be honest. Yeah, wasn't expecting. I thought there'd be a lot of competition for it, and but very happy in that I have worked very hard for a lot of years with a lot of passion and a lot of commitment. So I do feel like probably deserved in some ways. It's been a long road. Every project is special because we put our all into it. I think recently exploring some new materials. We built a house out of hempcrete, which is a new material, so trying to push the boundaries of what the industry accepts as a building material. But yeah, we love every project we go to and do. When we go back years later, often we love it. That's why we keep building, really, because we love the projects. I don't know that I deserve it, but I certainly enjoy having it and realising that the years of hard work have paid off. Building is a serious commitment, so it does take take you away from a lot of other bits of your life that you probably should invest in. So maybe I'll stop now.